Okay, cheers, big ears. Sorry that my video's so fucking long. Hey, remember we had some pork tenderloin before? Well, we got the last little bit of it. We did the char siu style. This one I just cut up into nice little pieces. Instead of making chicken balls, we're gonna do pork and batter. So the same size as you would do a chicken ball. We're gonna pour a little salt in here. My oil is heating up nicely. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Ooh, that's a lot of bit of black pepper and a little bit of cooking sherry. That's a little too much. And I'm going to throw a little bit of garlic powder in there, just for good luck. Okay, good enough. We're going to mix that around. Woo! You'd almost think I know what the fuck I'm doing, eh? I wasn't so fucking drunk and high all the fucking time. I didn't get that high today. My high had already wore off. That only lasted like a fucking hour and a half. I'm disappointed. Normally it's a good fucking 5-6 hours. But I didn't take that much. Alright. So that's that. Now, I'm going to rinse my hand off. I'm not going to wash it, just rinse it. I don't care about cross-contaminating because we're going to do that anyway. But we have our self-rising flour. I don't know, it's about 1/3 of the bag. How much is the bag? I don't know, I can't read the grams upside down. That's a 1 kg bag, so it's about 1/3. I don't care. That goes in the fire. And we're just going to put some white pepper in there. Good enough. And some salt. Okay. And don't kick the fucking pod of the try. And no, I'm not going to put any garlic powder in there. And now water. Agua. And we're going to make this just like doing a fish batter or a pancake batter. Anything like that. Bang. Out goes that one. And we need a little more water in there. Okay. Got a mixer fucking around. We're going to make this to a pancake batter-like consistency. I'll be back. No need to waste more bandwidth and time. You know what I mean there, jelly bean. Oil's heating up anyway. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, bitches. After like 3 minutes of fucking around here, it's like a pancake batter consistency. That's what you want to do for fish or something. It's good, actually. It is good. I shouldn't have done that. It's good. It really is. Okay, so the oil is almost up to temperature. I can feel it on my arm. It's not yet. So we're gonna drink up like a buttercup, and we're gonna fucking just stir this the fuck up. And we're gonna have a little drinky poo. Cheers-a-roo, buckaroo. Alright. Yep, no, this is perfect. This is good. That's good. That's good. Alright, if you're making chicken balls, you want the same deal. Use exactly what I did. That's fucking great. Alright. Okay, I'll be back. Give me a couple minutes, let this fucking heat up. And we're making pork balls. Well, that sounds rude. Chicken ball sounds okay for some reason, I don't know why. But we're gonna do pork and batter. Rock the fuck on, bitches. Sorry this video is so long, but shit happens in bastard land. Woo! beer. Drink beer and shut the fuck up. Alright, I want to take this glove off. Alright, bitches, we're officially February 6th. So no more Chinese New Year. Oh, damn. But I'm still ready to fucking rock. Yeah, I've been cooking for almost 12 hours. Sure, there were interruptions, but fuck. I'm still good to go, bitches. How many of you motherfuckers can do that, eh? Take lessons from the drunk house and a professional fucking piss tank. Get her done. Don't worry, I still got one more fucking thing to cook after this. Sorry, my video is gonna be a billion hours long. Okay. So, just got a pin here. We're gonna go in our fucking, uh-oh, I lost it. Gonna go in the batter. Let the excess drip off. Yeah, it's a little thicker than it should be. It's alright. It'll work. Trust me. I'm a professional. Just tank. Okay. Look out. There you go, bitchy. So, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a couple of rounds of this. These will go for a few minutes. And we'll do 2 or 3 at a time. We'll take them out. And then we'll put them all in at the same time. Because you don't want to, you know, have like some that are done in 2 minutes and some that are done in 5 minutes. Fuck that. Get in there, bitch. Okay. Do another one. We'll let these fuckers go. And then we're going to be done with this. Where's my strainer? Okay. Come on. Get out. It's like a big snot hanging down there. Fuck off. Fucking cockeye. Oh, it's part of the chicken. Or pork, sorry. Alright, so now, let's get a strainer. Ow! Motherfucker. Okay, these two can come out. You just gotta let it set. We'll let that fucker set and we'll do a couple more. And then when we're ready to go, we'll put them all in. And we're gonna drink up like a fucking buttercup. Woo! Because you want them to cook all at the same rate, right? Know what I mean there, fucking jelly bean? The old ditch pigorama. Alright, look out. Fucking cockeye. Alright, I'll be back. RTFO, mofos. Drink the fucking beer and shut up. Alright, bitches, you know I'm pretty fucked up when I got 2 open beers. This one's like newly open and this one's like not newly open. And it's fucked up. I'm fucking wasted. Fuck off. Fucking cockbag bastard. Okay. We done doing our fucking pork balls. Okay. I don't know, they were about, 2 minutes, minute and a half each. We'll put them in there for a few more minutes. Just so we can get them done all at the same time, if you know what I mean there, fucky bean. Look at that, eh? Snappy! You gotta like it when the oil is snappy. Woo! Yeah. Fucking alright. We'll let that go for a few fucking minutes. And then we'll fish the fuckers out. And then I'll get a frying pan out and we're gonna do these fucking, what do you call them? What do you call them? Oh, beer. That's what you call them. Dumplings. Gotta have fucking dumplings. Chinese New Year. Come on now. Fuck me. At least I know that much. Alright, bitches. We got that good dumpling sauce that we made right at the beginning. Woo! Bitches, it's been enough minutes for me to just wash that and fucking we're good. These are good. I don't have oh, you know what? I'm gonna put them right on the fucking rack first. Let them drain out. Look out! Hey, I didn't lose one. I almost did. That one almost fell down. This one almost fell down. Good. Get out of there. Come on. Get all you fucking crispy critters out of here. Okay. Don't worry. I'll get the crispy critters out. Okay, bitches. Pan. Alright. Get over there. Fuck nuts. Oh, these are gonna be good. Alright. Alright. Gotta get a pan. We gotta get ready. Oh, we got beer.